Hello there. Thank you for joining me. And before I go on with the strategy, I would love to thank Matthew Crater, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks, which you can get on Amazon Kindle. That's where I learned this strategy and got the idea from. I would love to show you this awesome strategy. Now, again, if you want to learn other advanced strategies, please watch my previous videos and rewatch them and read my previous articles to really dissect and see how this strategy is. So I'm going to, from this point on, I'm going to show you a different perception of how this strategy it is very similar to the rocket booster strategy, but I'm just going to show you a previous another perception. So again, if you really want to understand more, watch my previous videos, the rocket booster strategy. You will find it. This one is called the beginner strategy. So as you can see from this angle here, the price action is kind of flat. You can see the price action is kind of flat, and then boom, all of a sudden the volume goes up, right? We have an increase of volume, and we're looking at the breaking news, and you can see the breaking news of exactly what happened here. So this is the beginners trading strategy where the breaking news combines with a high volume and a gap in price, and you get this awesome gap here. And this is an awesome strategy. So I hope you will use it to your advantage, because this is definitely something that you should look out for. I think it was one of the first strategies when I began teaching. This is my favorite strategy when the price gaps up. So I would love to thank you so much for watching this video. Please rocket boost it, like it, leave your comments. I read all your comments. I love the feedback. And my disclaimer is, do not buy what I tell you to buy, do not sell what I tell you to sell. Do your own research before you buy or sell anything. I would love to thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye now.